Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you signed up with Asana, but you want to go ahead and change your email that's connected to your Asana account. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner, then click on Settings. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Account. And then from here, you want to go and scroll down. And you're going to see this section here called Manage Emails. So if you click on Add Email, this is going to allow you to go ahead and add an email after you re-authenticate your account. But there you have it, guys. Just simply follow the on-screen prompts from here, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your email on Asana. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.